First night out here. I sleep for like almost 12 hours. And I get this sunrise. This could be a good hike. Alright guys, it's an absolutely beautiful October morning. It's October 4th and beautiful sunset this morning, or sunrise, excuse me. And the breeze feels really nice. It's probably, I don't know, 65, 70 degrees right now. It's perfect hiking weather. Probably gonna take a break at over Mountain Shelter, show you what kind of food I got before I eat it all. So I'll see you then. There's my sumo friend. Tell me that does not look like a sumo wrestler. Alright, fine, whatever. There she is. Over Mountain Shelter. Looks like the clouds finally cleared out. Perfect time to take a break and enjoy the sun. Look at that view, man. It's one of the most iconic shelters on the trail right here. Over Mountain Shelter. Alright folks, that looks super white. Anyways, here's what I got for food wise on my trip here. Pork rinds, pork cracklings, whatever you want to call them. Jerky. Gatorade mix. Gatorade protein bars. These things are awesome. Summer sausage. This is really gross after a little bit, so probably gonna hate it. I already do. One of these Nature Valley soft baked squares. Never had them before. They're pretty good though. Welch's fruit snacks. Bear Creek Alfredo pasta mix. This is good stuff. A Nora pasta side, of course. Very common trail food. Oh yeah, I had Snyder pretzel pieces, hot buffalo wing. I ate them after the first night and after I bought them. So like half after I bought them, half after the first night, they're like cracked to me. So lastly, tea. Green tea. Yerba mate tea to be exact. And that's it for now. We'll see what happens after next resupply, but yeah, it's good stuff. Yo, I think I saw you in Lord of the Rings, man. Yeah. No words. No words for this. Except the ones that I just said. But it's fucking gorgeous out right now. Absolutely beautiful. Never gets old. Since the weather has been so kind to me so far, and it's such a beautiful day out, I think I'm gonna tack on some extra miles here since I'm visiting for so long. Going on a side trail here. It's Grassy Bald Ridge, or Grassy Ridge Bald. It's about a half mile to get to the top here, so we're gonna do that and check it out for once, because I didn't do it when I was hiking the AT. So let's do it.
This is unreal. I'm gonna run out of space on my phone already. There's so much awesome shit to capture. This is absolutely magical. Fresh breeze. You can smell those cruciferous trees. Not sure which ones to call them, so I won't call them anything but that. But this is definitely worth the side trail trip. And this is why the Roan Highlands is one of the best sections in the South. Alright folks, as expected, my phone is about to run out of space, so I'm going to try and make this as quick as possible. Here we are at Roan High Knob Shelter. Heard it gets cold here at night, but it's a really nice day out, so I'll take my chances and I'll sleep in my hammock. So I'll try and upload this to my drive and catch you tomorrow.